has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
John A.
Is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
So, Mr. Hay, this is Armando Villa. I would like to know why you don't answer my emails. Why don't you allow me to file charges for a crime that was committed against me? Who do you think you are? You are the state's attorney. You haven't allowed me to make an official police report about this. And you have to have a reason. And if your reason is racist, that is not a good reason, Mr. Hay. We live in the United States of America in the 21st century. If you, for some reason, don't like Hispanics, then that you shouldn't be the state's attorney. You should go back to Alabama or wherever you come from and live with the Ku Klux Klan. But in here, it is America, and if a crime is committed against anybody, whether they are Hispanics, African Americans, or white, the state attorney's duty is to protect these individuals, and you are not doing that with me. So I'm requesting, I should request that you resign, because you are just worth nothing, basically. But you're not going to do that, but you're not going to be re-elected, I guarantee you that. Ask the other state's attorneys that fought with me. Mr. Hueva and Mr. whatever his name was, you know, the guy who always gets red in front of the courtroom, and I call him Reddy, whatever he was, anyhow, but he's not there anymore. And you won't be there more than 4 years if you fight with me. I mean, you won't be there more than 4 years, I guarantee you that, because I make sure that they know who you are. But anyhow, now we have you, and then so you have to do your American duty, so just call me back, email me, allow me to file those charges, or I have to do something else, and something else is just basically you're going to look like a marionette in the internet, and then people are going to laugh about, and they're going to say, who is this bobblehead? That's about you. So please don't be stupid and act according to the oath that did you make an oath when you were in office? Who knows? Of course, you know I'm putting these things on the internet, so poor Mr. Hay, he's not going to look very good for his next job application. Goodbye.